How to add animated text on Sony Vegas Pro tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Sony Vegas. As you can see, this is my video and I want to add animated text right here. So all what you have to do is go to the track here, click on your right mouse, click on insert text media. Now go here to the top, click here and choose fall down, for example. Change the color. Now let's see how it is. As you can see, it looks so good. You can add many effects you want. You have many options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.